Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a brief moment and learn how to share a PDF file or other file within OPRESCAS so that your applicants can learn about your program using information that's not just text-based within the application portal. First of all, you need to use a service that allows you to create a publicly accessible share link. For example, Microsoft OneDrive is what we're using here. I've identified the file that I'd like to share, and I'm going to click the three dots to the right of it and select Share. More than likely, when you share, it's going to offer you to share it with individuals that work only within your organization. Click this button and change this so it says anyone with the link. Make sure that you do not click Block Download, otherwise they won't be able to open it up in a separate tab within their browser. So please select anyone with the link. If that is not an option, this is due to a limitation within your organization's Office 365 environment, more than likely. You may need to contact your IT department to learn how to create a publicly accessible link. I'm going to go ahead and click Apply. And now I'm going to copy that link that I have. I'm going to hit my copy button so that it's hanging out on my clipboard. And now we're going to go ahead and add that link into our WebAdMIT OPRESCAS configuration. If you've not yet shared your application, what you're going to want to do is open up OPRESCAS Pre-Launch. Let's go ahead now and go to CAS Configuration Portal and select OPRESCAS. Make sure you choose the current cycle and your organization's name. Here we're doing a demonstration with Gillette Children's Specialty Healthcare. Now we're going to go ahead and edit our details. Where we're going to add this is under Homepage or Branding. So right now we don't have any accessible hyperlinks besides the email address and website for the organization. We're going to add that hyperlink in so that we can have our applicants view the PDF file. Go to Branding. Go to Edit Instructions and identify where you would like to share that information. In our case, we're going to add it just below our website address. So we can go ahead and say, view our informational flyer. Now I'm going to go ahead and create some text that says click here. And they're going to be able to click there to actually make it a hyperlink. So I'm going to highlight that text. I'm going to gently scroll up a little bit. And we're going to click on this little chain icon here that says Insert Link. I'm then going to go ahead and paste in the link that we just created within OneDrive. It's going to be a pretty long link, more than likely, and then click OK. Now, you notice that click here is colored blue. So when I hit my Save button, we can go ahead now and go back to our program details, select our preview or eyeball icon one more time, and notice that we actually have a hyperlink to the flyer. And when we click on that hyperlink, it will take us to the PDF that we wish to share. I hope you found this brief tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for your time. This is Chris Robinson, Clinical Resource Director for NCOPE. Have a great day.